Hello there, I'm Eli Groom from Ecuatorian Flower. We're a farm, we're a 26-hectare farm. We grow only roses. And what you see here is some samples of our best varieties. We have around 100 varieties here. And if you look at them, they look really very big and very nice. And that's because they are presented here in an open cut, which is what usually the Russian market is looking for, and that's the way that we ship them to Russia. In order for them to get the flowers to the final destination, it will take about 12 days to get there. So one asks, how can I ship a flower in an open cut and still have some remains of life when it gets there? Well, the nice thing about this is that when you cut a flower in this stage in the greenhouse, it will last longer, it will have a better life, it will open better, and it will give you a chance of giving real value to the consumer, which is not the case when you do what the U.S. market usually does, that is to cut in a very closed cutting point, which is not good for the afterlife of the flower. So you can see here all the different varieties. We have all the colors, all the combinations, very strong colors.
Today we're at the Flower for Kids sponsoring farm, Ecuadorian Flower in Tabacundo. We're in the cold room. I'm here with my friend and general manager and owner, Eli Groom. Eli, tell us a little bit about your farm as I get out of the picture.
Okay. How are you? Ecuatorian Flower, we have 26 hectares. Here are the flowers that go to Russia. This is a 90 centimeter blush, which is a very nice flower. And as you can see, this is part of what we have in open cut, which is the best way that the flowers travel. And well, let's walk a little bit and see what else we have. Here we are, we have two varieties. This one is Vendela, one of the classic varieties. It's sort of white. This one is also white, this is a Quito. This one we use these blue bags to protect it against botrytis. And it works very well. This is a new development that we have. This one doesn't need it because it's not very sensitive to botrytis. Here we can see a new variety. This is called Cherry O, which is good in all the markets, in the three markets, United States, Russia and Europe. And it's a hot pink, but look at the strength of the color. This is really beautiful. It's like phosphorescente, like luminescent. Here we are with another novelty. This is from Plantador, from Cordis, and this is called Cabaret. Look at the colors. And look also at the leaves, the intensity of the green leaves. How about this one? This is a super new novelty. This is called Guinness, and look at the brown color it has. It's one of the few new varieties that have this color, which is like chocolate. Okay, I'm about 5 feet 10. Look how big how tall this flower is, and it's still not ready to be harvested. These are flowers that we can cut with 2-meter lengths. That would be around 6 feet 8 inches. And here we have the forever youngs harvested. Ooh, this is so heavy. Okay, here we have an old lot of flowers, plants, and we're experimenting all the time. We cut this all the way down to the ground, and you can see all the shoots that are coming again, and we're trying to see if we can renew this plant and give the plant 10 more years. Here we have a perfect example of the different cuts we have. This one is a typical cut for the United States. This flower doesn't have a lot of chance of surviving after the traveling. This one is an open cut, and this one will do great all the way around. And look at it. Here we are again at the Ecuatorian Flower, and I'm here with my technician Diego, who's been with us 10 years, and he's looking at this new variety which is called nectarine, which is a very nice variety, and he'll present himself.
Mi nombre es Diego Trujillo, llevo trabajando acá ya 7 años, soy gerente técnico aquí en la finca. Estaba viendo ahorita puntos de corte de la variedad nectarín y para realizar unos trabajos en el suelo.
A typical lunch here at Ecuatorian, it's a heavy meal, a lot of carbohydrates, proteins. We have a salad that's on the other part, and we have fruit also, and also dessert. And of course the juice, which is made of fruits, fresh fruits.
Ahorita estoy mojando esto, por lo consiguiente de que está seco, necesita las noticias de humedad, porque de lo contrario si seco no tiene opción a comerse. Entonces por esa razón toca dar pasando un día el riego.
Bueno, mi nombre es Lorena y yo aquí trabajo como enfermera de la finca. La atención que damos a los pacientes es cuando tienen accidentes o están con cualquier enfermedad, y igual se atiende a los familiares de los pacientes que trabajan aquí. Cualquier accidente o cualquier herida que se presenta, cualquier enfermedad, se les da medicación, la primera dosis aquí. Y nada más, y cualquier emergencia que se presente, se les atiende.
We are creating here a special microclimate for this beautiful yellow rose, which is called Mohana, and that's what it needs. And you know how look at it, how beautiful it develops. And well, that's it. Thank you very much for being with me and buy my open cut flowers, roses from Ecuadorian.
And thank you, Eli Grun and Ecuadorian Flower, for being a sponsor of Flowers for Kids.
Oh, thank you very much, Ramiro.